Hello students, here now the next topic for today in biology, microbes as biocontrol agent. So here now in this video we will study that how the microbes used as a biocontrol agent. Okay, so we will have to study here that how the microbes used as a biocontrol agent. So first it is essential to know about the meaning of biocontrol agent. Biocontrol agent. First compulsory to know about the meaning of biocontrol agents. What are biocontrol agents? Biocontrol agents. Now, so biocontrol agents, when the different methods, biological methods are used rather than the insecticides and pesticides. Okay, when we use different biological methods rather than insecticides and pesticides to control the different pests and also the other insects in agricultural field. Okay, क्या होता है कि एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड में जब हम बहुत सारे बायोलॉजिकल मेथड्स को यूज़ करते हैं, when we use different biological methods to control different harmful insects, and harmful insects are also be termed as the pest. Okay, harmful insects are also be termed as the pest in agricultural field. So when different biological methods are used to control the harmful insect or pest, so that's why in that condition we can use that microbes are used as a biocontrol agent. Okay, especially in agricultural field to control the different insect and pest, we mostly used insecticides and pesticides. And you know very well the insecticides and pesticides, these are the chemicals. Okay, these are the chemicals. So chemicals when kill different insect and pest, when kill different insect and pest, तो those chemicals are called insecticides. यानी कि when chemicals are used to kill the insect, those are called insecticide. When kill the insect, so those are called insecticides. The term is given कि which kind of the insects and pests have to be killed. तो insects को मारने वाले जो होते हैं, insects को अगर kill करेंगे तो वो हो जाएंगे insecticides. Clear? Sites means sites refer the killing. Okay, this is the Greek word and that is mean to say killing to the insect. तो insects को मारने वाले जो होंगे chemicals, those are insecticides, and when pest को मारने वाले जो chemicals होंगे, those are called pesticides. Okay, this is the meaning of the insecticide or pesticide. So here now we have to know here the microbes used as a biocontrol agents. It means to say कि here we will not have to use the insecticide and pesticides, but we will have to use only the microbes. But why the microbes are used to control the insect, to control the pest? That is beneficial to protect the environment, and also we can also be protected against the harmful effect of insecticides and pesticides. So generally we know that insecticide and pesticides are the chemicals. So chemicals are harmful for environments because they pollute the environment as well as they are harmful to the animals. Okay, it means to say these are the mostly chemicals are toxic and extremely harmful to the humans, animals, and also they affect the environment because they create a different environmental problems, like they pollute the environment. Because that's why we are going to use that microbes we will have to use as a biocontrol agent. Okay, तो यहाँ पर हमको क्या करना है, बिकॉज जितने भी इंसेक्टिसाइड पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं, कि केमिकल्स हैं और दीज केमिकल्स आर हार्मफुल both humans, animals, and also they can cause different polluting problems to the environment. That's why we will have to move to the microbes that will control the different pest and insect. इसलिए हमको माइक्रोब्स का यूज़ करना होता है, इसलिए हमको माइक्रोब्स पर जाना होता है, एंड that will control the different insect and pest. Okay, this is the reason only. Okay, now next thing about the biocontrol agents that we will have to use here, that what have to do here कि biocontrol agents में suppose that कि what we will have to use here. Okay, so biocontrol agents like you can like I think that you know very well about dragonfly. Okay, so dragonflies and ladybirds, जितने भी ड्रैगन फ्लाई हैं जो आपने देखे भी होंगे उड़ते हुए, जो आर्थ्रोपोडा जैसे होते हैं, आर्थ्रोपोडा दैट इज़ द फाइलम ऑफ दीज लेडी बर्ड्स एंड ड्रैगन फ्लाइज. तो ड्रैगन फ्लाइज दे किल दी मॉस्किटो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हार्मफुल होते हैं, एज वी नो दैट दे कॉज द डिफरेंट they are the vectors of different disease, that's why they are very harmful to us. तो ड्रैगन फ्लाई they can kill the mosquito by eating themselves. Okay, वो मॉस्किटो को किल कर देती हैं, उनको खा लेती हैं, बिकॉज दे act as a predator means you will study later in ecology portion about the predators and predation and also the pesticides and also the you can say different interactions about that. Okay, so ladybird beetle especially what happen here कि ladybird beetle especially they kill the aphids. Aphids are also the kind of the insects, okay, harmful insect. तो ladybird beetle especially control the aphids. Okay, aphids, this is also a kind of insect, okay, harmful insect. And also like mosquito will control dragonfly will also control the mosquito. So here you have to remember ladybird beetle will control the aphids. They especially kill the aphids. Okay, aphids are the smaller than the ladybird beetle. ladybird beetle क्या करती हैं, aphids को ईट कर लेती हैं, खा लेती हैं. तो इसके वजह से क्या होगा, aphids डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे. एंड aphids आर हार्मफुल मोस्टली टू आवर क्रॉप प्लांट्स. ओके, तो जितने भी यहाँ पर हम बायो कंट्रोल एजेंट्स की स्टडी कर रहे हैं, तो दीज आर फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर क्रॉप प्लांट्स. ओके, तो ladybird beetle will destroy the aphids and as well as dragonfly will also kill the मॉस्किटो. ओके, तो ड्रैगन फ्लाई क्या करती हैं, मॉस्किटो किल करती हैं. ओके, मॉस्किटो दैट इज ऑल्सो हार्मफुल फॉर अस बिकॉज दे आर द कैरियर ऑफ द डिफरेंट डिसीज. ओके, सो हियर ladybird beetle and dragonfly they act as a biocontrol agent. Okay, so if it's and like next thing, so this is the method this is the biological method to control the different pest and insect also. Okay, now here next method is Bacillus thuringiensis. This is the name of the bacterium. Okay, so how does this affect, okay, Bacillus thuringiensis? तो Bacillus thuringiensis, this will be used in the form of the spores. This will be used in the form of dry powder. Okay, it mean to say Bacillus thuringiensis is the kind of the bacteria. This is the name of the species. तो dried spores of Bacillus thuringiensis are used to control the different insect. Okay, so like you can see dried spores of Bacillus thuringiensis when sprayed over the vulnerable plant, they will be remain protected and they will be remain protected against the insect or larva. क्या करते हैं, जो बटरफ्लाई के कैटरपिलर होते हैं, बटरफ्लाई के जो लार्वा होते हैं, तो दे हार्मफुल इन ए डिफरेंट वे टू द क्रॉप प्लांट्स. तो दैट्स वाई when we spray the dried spores of Bacillus thuringiensis over the crop plants or vulnerable plants, तो these butterfly caterpillars will be destroyed when they eat the leaf of these plants. Okay, when they eat the leaf of different plants. जैसे ही जिस प्लांट्स पर हमने बैसिलस thuringiensis को स्प्रे किया, तो बैसिलस thuringiensis को स्प्रे करने के लिए क्या होता है, उसका ड्राइड पाउडर होता है, उसको हम स्प्रे करेंगे वाटर में डिज़ोल्व करके, और स्प्रे करने के बाद जैसे ही कैटरपिलर लार्वा कोई उस लीफ को खाएगा जिस पर हमने स्प्रे किया है, तो दैट ड्राइड स्पोर विल रीच इनटू द इंसेक्ट, will reach into the गट ऑफ लार्वा. क्या होगा, वो बटरफ्लाई के कैटरपिलर के गट में पहुंच जाएगा और क्या कर देगा, वहाँ पर छोटे छोटे पोर्स क्रिएट कर देगा, जिसके वजह से लार्वा विल बी किल्ड. ओके, तो दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ किलिंग द लार्वा. ओके, एंड अदर मेथड इज दैट कि, तो फर्स्ट इट इज एसेंशियल टू नो अबाउट दैट हाउ द butterfly caterpillar has been destroyed by use of Bacillus thuringiensis. यानी Bacillus thuringiensis का ड्राई जो पाउडर है उसको वाटर में डिसॉल्व कर लिया और उसको हमने स्प्रे कर दिया, जिसके वजह से प्लांट्स पर जैसे ही बटरफ्लाई का जो कैटरपिलर लार्वा होगा उस लीफ को खाएगा, तो वो जो Bacillus thuringiensis का जो स्पोर्स हैं, जो ड्राई पाउडर है, जो पाउडर है, वो उस लार्वा में पहुंच जाएगा और they will cause the death of larva. Okay, this is the simplification. Now next thing you can say about the microbial use and control. That, so this is about the two things about the caterpillar. Okay, about the use of Bacillus thuringiensis. Here we know and we have known about the use of Bacillus thuringiensis and as well as the use of lady bird beetle and dragonfly. Okay, so this is the sufficient to know about the biocontrol agents to control the different insect and pest. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss again this topic by other examples. Okay, still if you have any confusion, then you can discuss with me. Okay, thank you.